everyone, welcome back. We've got a brand new lesson for you today.
Yeah.
That's right, get ready for Unit 2 of 900 Crazy English.
Good morning, everyone. Forget everything you know about English, because today we're diving into 900 crazy English basics.
Lesson 11. Complaints. I just want to get this mess straightened out. I hate this weather. It sucked. I have had it up to here with this guy. I've got a real problem with one of my coworkers. This is awful. I can't stand this. I'm going to complain about this. I'm fed up with your behavior. I've had it up to here with you. This is intolerable. I will not accept this situation. I will not stand for this. I'm going to give him a piece of my mind. I want to make a complaint. Lesson 12. Invitations. Let's get out of here. Do you want to come? Thanks for the invitation. I was going to invite you in for some coffee. I'd like to invite you to a match. Do you want to get some lunch? Why don't you come over later? Are you free tonight? What are you doing later? Let's meet later. Come see me sometime. Give me a call the next time you're in town. I'd like to see you again. Would you like to get dinner sometime? When can I see you again? Lesson 13. Requests. I keep asking her to turn down her music. It's a small request. She has to turn it down. I'm just requesting that you keep him in your yard. I need to borrow your computer. Can I see that book? Could you move over a little bit? You're requested to be in court next week. My request for a raise was rejected. Can I make one small request? That's a pretty big request. Why don't you just request some help at work? This is one of the most requested songs on the radio. Could you give me a hand with this box? Would you mind being a little bit quieter? Lesson 14. Plans and decisions. I'll keep thinking about it. We may just have to share my car for a while. We need to start a college fund for Tyler. Do you know what you're doing after graduation? I haven't made up my mind yet. I'll let you know what I decide. I have to make a difficult choice. Decide quickly. I hadn't anticipated that. What do you plan to do about this mess? The disaster was a result of poor planning. I plan to take the next train out of here. I intend to buy a new house. I had only the best intentions. Everything is going according to plan. Lesson 15. Certainty and uncertainty. To be honest, I'm not certain. Maybe. I couldn't say for sure. I couldn't say for definite. I couldn't say absolutely. I'm positive that he did it. I'm certain of it. I'm not sure that's a good idea. I can't be certain of what time I left the office. I've no idea where my shoes are. I'm not certain if he's telling the truth. Are you certain this is what you want to do? I swear this is the truth. I have no doubt about how I feel. Absolutely. Lesson 16. Agreement and disagreement. I don't think our taxes get anything good for us. I disagree completely. Maybe you're right. I think that's a good idea. I'm glad we see eye to eye. I couldn't agree with you more. I have to disagree with you on this. That's what I was thinking. You are exactly right. That's for sure. I'd say that was true. Don't you agree? I'll go along with that. I'll go along with you on this one. I'm not sure I agree with you. Lesson 17. Belief and disbelief. Do your kids still believe in Santa Claus? How come you never believe me? I'm sure he'll find a way to do that without more taxes. I can't believe it. They believed that certain gods caused things in nature. I have faith in the government. I believe that I can do anything if I try hard enough. I don't believe you. Do you believe in anything? I have no choice but to believe what you're saying. Have you questioned your beliefs? I can't believe you've said that. I'm convinced by his words. I believe he can be trusted. I'll take your word for it.
English7levels.com.
Lesson 18. Compliments and praises. You did a good job. Most of that was luck. You have really good taste. I am so jealous of you. That's a nice car you have there. You're looking good. That shirt really becomes you. You have excellent manners. I salute your efforts. You're the best in the business. You're the envy of the town. You look good in red. You've done a good job with this house. Keep up the good work. I love the way you make me laugh. Lesson 19. Reassurances and consolations. Don't worry about it. That's what counts. That makes me feel a little better. Look at the bright side. That's understandable. Don't let it get you down. Things will get better. Just keep trying. Don't give up. We all have bad days sometimes. I know how you feel. I'm here for you. It's okay. It's not your fault. No one blames you. Lesson 20. Warnings and Prohibitions. There's a sign outside the gate that reads, "No trespassing." Not here. I don't think you should do that. They can't stop me from smoking. You can't go there. That's forbidden. I'm warning you. No one is allowed to go in there. It is forbidden to do that. No smoking. Do not enter. No unauthorized entry. Do not walk on the grass. Keep out. No pets allowed.